Hello ladies and gents, welcome back to Dame Does It. Today we're going to be repairing our damaged electrical cord. Here's some items you may need for this project. I'll put a link in the comment section. Clean the ends of our cord with either brake cleaner or alcohol, depending on how dirty or tacky it is. In this particular piece, we'll just be using alcohol. However, I find brake clean is much easier. Okay, here's our end, nice and clean. Now I'm going to take our micro cutters and cut back some wire. Cut back the insulation. Now we're going to fold it back. Next step, take our wire strippers. Okay, we're wearing our Milwaukee gloves. Taking our utility knife. Taking our time, keeping our fingers out of the way. You're going to custom fit to your needs. I'm going to cut it right here. Now, since the utility knife is too heavy for this, we're going to be using a straight razor blade. I'll put a link for these gloves in the comment section. Now we're going to cut down the center. If you have a sharp pair of scissors, they'll come in handy right now. We'll be using solderless wire connectors, and we'll be applying a little bit of flux to the wires to help that solder flow. We've applied just a little bit of heat to keep that in place. We've also applied a little heat here. Now for our video, we're using a heat gun. You can use a lighter or a blow dryer. Our tubing is sealed nicely and our solder is flowed well. Let's get to wrapping it up. Let's continue wrapping using our $1.89 Amazon tape. Now let's put our protective sleeve back on. Where our tape ends, I find it's helpful to cut it lengthwise. Cut it lengthwise in half. We continued working with these half strips. It just makes for better control. And allows you to be able to stretch it out more. Here's our repaired power cord. Be sure to visit my channel, check out all my full length videos.